Oh, good morning. I'm just finishing my breakfast and then I was gonna jam. Hey, do you wanna jam with me? Wait, you know what a jam is, right? I'm not talking about this stuff you spread on your toast. I'm talking about playing music. Well, I've got great news, because today we're gonna play music together. So finish eating your breakfast and grab your guitar because it's time to jam. Unlock your true potential. Learning to play music doesn't have to be hard or complicated. You can make great music with just a few notes. Before we start playing, I will need to teach you a couple of things. Let's take a look. Here we can see the neck of the guitar with its 6 strings. The 6th string is the big one on the bottom. And if you look at my guitar, you can see that it's this one. Find the 6th string on your guitar now and play it. Good! Now we see this number 0 on the 6th string. When that number reaches the green line in the middle, you need to play the string. Let's try that now. Good! Let's try that again. Nice! Now let's do 2 notes in a row. Great! Let's do that again, just to make sure that we got it. Awesome! Now let's practice playing along to a beat. Remember to play each time the number reaches the green line. Here we go! Great job! Now we can see that the number 0 is on the 5th string. That's here on my guitar. Try playing that now. Nice! The 5th string is the 2nd one from the top. Let's jam along with another beat on the 5th string. That was so much fun! One thing you should know is that if you want to get really good at playing the guitar, you will need to repeat things over and over again. This is called repetition. When you repeat something over and over again, you're training your mind and your muscles, and that is called practicing. Warning! If you ever feel frustrated while you're practicing the guitar, take a break and come back and try again later. It may be that your hands are tired from playing, or you're hungry because you skipped your breakfast. One last thing. Learning to play music should be fun, and I hope that this jam session was fun for you too. Hey, is it lunchtime yet? Because all this jamming made me hungry.